In the heart of a dense, verdant forest, where sunshine dapples through the canopy, live a grumpy badger and a playful squirrel, as different as night and day. The badger, with his gruff demeanor and solitary ways, has little patience for the energetic squirrel's incessant scampering and chatter. But when a ferocious wildfire ignites, threatening to consume their beloved home, their world is turned upside down. Faced with a common enemy, the badger and squirrel must set aside their differences. Braving the smoke and flames, they rally together in a desperate mission to warn the other forest inhabitants and lead them to safety. Unlikely heroes, the grumpy badger and playful squirrel embark on a journey that will test their courage and their hearts, forging an unbreakable bond from the embers of adversity. As the flame draws near, they are no longer a grumpy badger and a playful squirrel, but united forest heroes, standing together against the wildfire's wrath.